National Philharmonic House is located at the beginning of Chrestiatic Street, European Square, or 200 meters from Independence Square. It's a very famous historic building, original one, by the way. It was initially erected in 1882, as I remember, and this building one of not so many other buildings which survived heavy bombing during the Second World War. So this was really original ones, and it's over 150 years. So if you like classic music, you're welcome to this house. So this is a central hall, such a style, not so many light, I don't know why, wardrobe from left and right side, and staircases to the another floor where the main concert hall. Yes. Here is small cafe, standard set, coffee, cognac, champagne, some sandwiches with red caviar or bacon. Yeah. A very small fountain at the hall, and very nice and excellent stairs. A small sculpture of with Mykola Lysenko. It's a well-known Ukrainian musician, poet, and by the way, the Philharmonic is under his name, by this Nikolai Vitalyevich Lysenko. Here is the main hall, a very interesting conception. There are two rows of columns, and please be careful when you choose seats, because, for example, this line from one side to left side, it's very difficult to see something what's happening on the stage. I think that people come here not to see but to listen, but sometimes, of course, you need to see how musicians play. Yeah, these seats, I call them dead zone. Yeah. You can hear very well, but you see nothing because of columns. These seats, of course, are perfect, and of course they are much more expensive. So there are some short music which you can hear here. So this is the balcony. Again, the same situation. First row, you can see something, but from second, third row, you can only hear but see nothing. Yeah. So repeat again, be careful when you choose seats in this concert hall. So National Philharmonic House in Kyiv.